A very good day to all of you folks. Welcome.
Hardly get an
And
opportunity
if you're a
to be with
subscriber, welcome back. My name is Obake. On this channel, I bring you lifestyle vlogs based on my miscellaneous daily experiences. I hope you enjoy my content. If you do, I would really appreciate if you subscribe. And if you don't, oh well, please indulge in any case. Subscription is free, by the way, and your indulgence helps me keep creating more content. Please like the video and hit the notification bell to stay updated for when I upload new videos. Now, take a look at this. Hi everyone, welcome to a start of a new vlog. I do this intro ndisemodweni. I am on my way to town to pick up Little Human Ubudlisa. Okay, I'm on my way to pick up Ubudlisa in town. I was going to say Little Human's deputy parent, but then okay, yeah.
Mama,
Yeah.
Little Human.
Yes,
I'm
Nana.
5 years old.
Oh, you're 5 years old.
Yeah, so don't call other kids like that.
Yo, okay, oh, look at Nana. Okay. Yeah, guys, naibona ke nani situation le moto binjani. But anyway, yeah, let's go to town, get this man, and go back home. See you already. We're going to start with the preparations for a birthday galopute lapha emotweni, which is tomorrow. Guys, niyabona, I'm a gentle lady. I am giving this boy a prince treatment. Ndiyamvulela nomnyango, phofu ndizawwa. Ndiyamvulela nomnyango. Please give me my flowers. I-Red Bull yantoni? Awuzenza umntu sana. Vala ke. Let's go leave preparations.
No. Lena ifuna iphambi le moto. Lena ivile moto.
Suppose. Oh, you got that! Wow. Is this mine? Thank you. Thank you, Atanda. You chose it.
Hayi ufika kubo bonke abantu bamna ayifuni.
Oh man, this is, oh man, you know I'm a gym girlie, so I'm gonna have it. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Atanda. Ginger. Where's my chocolate?
It's in there. Mommy,
So there's more. Oh, wait, guys. Oh, sorry, I got excited by one thing. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Did Mama choose this one? Oh, thank you. I love my gifts. With me. Wakey. Is there more chickens?
Yes, it's 4.
Is it 4? Where are the other 2?
They are under the wheelbarrow by occasion.
And the 2 in the oven?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Where are you going to slaughter them from?
Oh, we're not slaughter them here outside then.
Pangasa kitchen?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
and bring them inside.
No, balega. Ish, ayizukungcolisa. Is it for the dogs?
Yes, go to still gonna eat.
Lisa ayizukungcolisa le nkukhu. Okanye udoporishe iblu ihobethunana lo mntana ngezihlangu ezimhlophe futhi. Oh.
Yes.
U-Alik ulinathi ude ayikhuphe.
Wow, should go over there, just like my school.
Muyikhupheni. Obekuthiwa yonke intwana. Siyolala guys ngoku soyibona ngomso. We're off to sleep now. Nesimakoti.
Ngiyaqoqa ngo. Ngigobishwa ukuba isukisi yami.
Uyithani?
Ngigobishwa.
Siyolala ngoyithi good night. Say good night to the vlog.
Good night vlog. Yeah.
Andikwazi umveza kudabs because ubhinqe netawuli sana. Ku late.
Nangu ufuna
Balo. Oh, Atando. Atando Funvel. Say hello, vlog. You're in light. Ninjani. Don't forget to subscribe. Le light amehlo wakhe iyawenza wrong. Hey, nangiya omnye. Uyakwa busy efonini. Ayikho into abayenzayo, into abayenza utyi sweet ubusy efonini. Uzabukela ibhola nango? Ichaja uzochaja phi? Where are you going to charge? Where are you going to charge your phone? Uyibona indawo charge? This is the time that I am going to bed at 10 to 12, almost midnight. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is the day of the birthday. I'm still grumpy. It's too early in the morning. Yeah, I'm still grumpy. So, Udabs, your son, Udabs is about to start ukugqibezela cake. Nazi izinto zakhe. It's a mess with kitchen. So she came with her things, stock, whatever those things are. They want chocolate, and most of the things are here. But now I have to go to town. Do tenga some things. So I'm gonna miss the process of the cake making, but it's fine. Grandson,
I look like I've been through a lot.
I look like a para.
I do.
Oh, good morning, guys. It is the day of the birthday celebration for Little Human. We are on our way to town. I'm with Osmakoti. We're on our way to town to get rolls for hot dogs. Zabandwana. The ice is very hot today. Kubani temperature right now? I think it's. You can't be washing because I can't be left.
I think it's 34, 33.
Yo.
Imagine.
Guys, at the time is 7:35. I'm still a bit grumpy, but I think it's about right. But yeah, so taking rolls, ice and
we're
soda.
going to buy, yes, and a balloon.
Oh yeah, number.
Oh, and Ed balloons. She said that she wanted black.
She said it must add.
Yeah.
Oh,
Apparently
okay.
black
because
red.
of Pelin.
Yeah.
Okay. The dad and deputy parent Baolanda intent bona, and then Udabsi is left behind making cake. The other Dabsi is on her way because she's gonna be cooking.
Thank God for her.
Tina Classifica. Hey, no, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Classifica,
I think so long juice.
Yeah, and if you're saying is that juice, now that it's hot, shush.
For the babies? Is it?
Yeah. What else are we forgetting?
So how many things did you buy? Didn't you buy 3 flavors?
Yeah, but on this jonga, it says it makes 12. It is 6 liters, na? A1. 6, 12, 18. 18 liters. 18 is a lot.
Isn't it?
And yeah.
And then also can you
Remember kaloku sibala aba bancinci up to 8. But what about Oluvo so?
And then ungalibali ba usisapile becele the drinks.
I-acid sendibali.
So uyayibona kuba khona ne-acid ekhona. And then there's also the old people juice.
Ezibesithini.
You're going to buy a lot.
So what's that man's? Yo, guys, masiyene it down but nana. Oh, another thing I wanted to address. I'm still get off yesterday. Because ndisazohlamba I was like andizube nditshintshe impahla kaloku sana noko andiyishowini so ngoku sizawusebenza sizawubhaka sizawuthini yonke loo nto leyo ndisengo-get off yesterday nditshintshe nje ndifake isikhafu phofu nenwele ziyavela nditshintshe isikhafu ne-shades at least ke masihambe guys sise-China Mall ke ngoku we are here to buy this thing. So nazi bekuthiwa sikuthenga ukhala eza color it's red, blue, black. Uthe sithenge ma?
Just take red or white. Was it red or white?
But we've got 3 or 5 options at least if all fails. Sise-spa ke ngoku sizokongeza i-drinks and then sithenge ne-rolls besifuna i-rolls up. Then now we just want ginger because Ubey said I must buy him ginger. And that's ginger ingena phi epatini ke sana but yeah. He was ndakuveza kancinci but hayi che at least ngasemva benza mujika le phone. Why you be cool? Hey, because of feel lang, izokhala izohlala elangeni, masiyongeza. Ayiqhumisile sizoxela kuboss. Sizoxela kuboss ayiqhumisile. Azovela kubuso bakho. Oh, ewe ye birthday. Intwana, what do you call that? Uaphesha uzothi ayiqinanga. It's for Hot Wheels thing. Hayi sizoyibeka endlini for now, then xa sebe siza abantwana sizikhuphe. Yeah, I think you're right. Livili ke ngoku. Ilivili. Oh, siyabulela kakhulu. Hey. Enkosi. Hey, thank you. Yes. Oh, it's on copyright on umculo. IZB umzali at your own risk because like what is this? We just got back from town. Ke sana kupakwe ngaphandle siyagxothwa for intent, so kufanele sipaka apha ngaphandle for intent. Guys, kukho nentent utamkhulu guys uzame intent. Intent was not part of the plan. It's just a 5th birthday celebration. Utamkhulu sana wazama intent enye into kuyachisa ke. So we're just gonna park here. Ale selikhulu. Xa lisikwa.
Xa lisikwa lizoba right uzobona.
Basuka nguwe be.
Ngeke ke.
Hayi ngathi lelo mtshato kanti lingaka apheshi. Likhulu yebo.
Le mali ubiza yona yiyo. That's a very old money.
So what's the new price? What's the real price? Sorry.
2.5.
Mama, him. What's the real price? Mama, already 2.8 el cake. Deposisa. What's the real price?
It's 2.5.
Suposisa. Iyo, likhulu mosi. Ubulazi njani? Oh, Sithandwa, uzosukwazi usifake efrijini? Nini galela udabs asele ngokwenzayo angadabili. Ufuna iphi? I got a smile from Dabs, guys. She's been almost grumpy like me. Ndiyadlala. Yo, okobe ebene energy ekseni sisters from 5. Uvuke ngofo ne? Yo, guys. Mnake guys, this is my part. By the way, we just got back from town. This is my part. Mnake niki leftovers the cake. Sendiyazwa nokwaziwa. Yo, sekugcwele traffic. Yo, How many flavors are we having? Joanna, and cream. How many flavors are we having?
It's chocolate with chocolate mousse and caramel.
Camera. Guys, I don't remember introducing Udabs ka Obo. Beske sa vlog ngofikileyo. Khange sike sivlog ne. Oh shemuya just kiss Dabs, as kiss Dabs. Let's stop. Okay guys, sorry Dabs besitya earlier, she's done now. So she is our chef for the day. So this Dabsy is the younger Dabsy who's a chef for the day. Uapesh is the older Dabsy who's a decor person, and the cake. The cake I'm showing Naligam, and she makes the cake. I don't know. And then there's Makulu Gesana who's busy. Emane Komba. When's cake? Pastry chef. Oh, Makulu. I buy a Kalipati Makulu. Makulu ready for a party. It's fine. I'm just intensing yamango.
Sorry, I should have shown.
Nangu Dabs was saying to Wapizan. Nangu Dabs. Nanku uma bangidabs naye ngudabs happy no dabs wase Bloemfontein.
Yes.
Hi guys.
Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Maphakathi yabo phumla ngo.
Yes, please.
Sana, this is you. Number 5. Ayinkulu. Soja sonele mosne? Inkulu le keke. Hamna I think bengcingele izophela apha. Oh sana. Guys, xa nifuna order ne, especially your KZN people. I'll show you the final one. We'll take pictures. Are you sure? Ours is on. Ananobu ngumalume nobu ngubani. Ubhuti uzovela kwi-vlog?
Hayi mandivele nakanjani.
Ufuna uvela kwi-vlog? Okay, masukuveze ke.
Ngijilalo uqala.
Masukuveze ke kwi-vlog.
Ngijilalo uqala.
Hayi masini kubhizi ne? Kuhanjwa ngo-180 kubhizi. John, which ones? I think it's so.
Because it's lighter.
Let's try. Let's try. I don't have this thing.
Kaloku awunayo nakweyi-one. Awunayo nayo. Ngobiphi secaleni.
I have to see which. We'll see. Thank you, Dapsy. Hi guys, I don't even know if I've greeted you earlier, but it's been a busy day. Oh, I just need to change my shoes. We're about to start for the formal. It's not formal, but anyway, the procedure for the birthday celebration. This is my outfit. I think I look cute. At least Udapsi helped me with it. By the way, kufikile umakazi with abantwana bakhe abayi-2. Odabs bakhona bayi-2 ekitchini, no bayi-3, sorry uzimasa. I just forgot it. There's 3 odabs ekitchini and bangixotha bathi sisi go get ready. We'll take over. Guys, yazi ntoni xa nitshata? Nizikhethe families because now mna ndiswenkile. So this is my outfit. I do have a slit.
This one. So it's
Inomqopho. Chips. Uyifumana?
Ebathini. Bani ungatsho? Ufuna apha ebantwaneni?
Yeah.
Itsho ke? Wamane uyesu ebathini? Ebasikelela.
Okay. Andithi bana khona nje ongakaphakamisa isandla andixelela uba ayivuke ekuseni bekuthiwa namhlanje uzoyaphi. Ukhona nani? Happy birthday to you.
Ayisabolo.
Okay, ndifuna asike ke ngoku. Culani kakhulu ke ngoku.
Banenge bayikamereni lapha.
Excuse me.
No benzela abantwana okwangoku. Oh, that's
Wow. Odabs besimanje. Benzuku zokugcina. Odabs benzuku zokugcina.
Nasiyigqibele zihambe. Ukuthi andithi njengoba simphakela ukuthi siyamphakela.
Okay.
Yes, siyamphakela. Ndicela inyama apha ezibhekhi zihambe tani.
Ubuvelile kwi-vlog yami sisi? Awukaveli njengoba sowunciba iphini ifa nje. Ndayifihla. Ha but kaloku mas. Ishobene nosha ubuzo ayinile wena. Yes. Yes. Omakoti benza ukuzokugcina. Abahle kanje.
Last day. Okay.
Awusana umophakathi. Mama nawe usurprise ne. Hello baby. How is Bloemfontein? Akasebenza uDabs bethunana niyambona? Nanku uDabs akasebenzi mana akasebenza. Hayi ndiyaphosta guys cha uthe ufuna uvela kwi-vlog uyaphostisa. Ayivakali ne? Oh, is it? Nansi into yona yaziyo ke. Into yaziyo yile. Sawuzimbona sebenza. Nansi into yaziyo.
Abahlali banandazi mina.
Bakwazela phi? Bakwazela kutyeni. Azele maphephe.
Remember that vlog? The one you shared.
Khawuthi nakukutya kwam hayi, nakukutya kwam. Here's my food. Bambe sound ndifuna
You're the reason why I'm bothered, baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the
Kosi uselenolisa.
So where's my phone?
Kesi yakho.
You guys know?
Ucuma ndiyithoyine.
One is
Kufume sipoka.
Yebo yoko. Let me just close the vlog. Guys, 1958. It's 1958 now.
Hey, mama.
I want to close this vlog here. I wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I am tired. I'm going to sleep. I'm not sure how long this vlog is gonna be, but it doesn't matter. I just want to strictly focus on Little Human's birthday celebration, so I'm gonna close it here. But I'm just having supper now. This spinach and chakalaka, I enjoyed it so much. And then ngamanqina la, but awanawo nenyama. It fell off, you know, like when the meat falls off the bone, but ndifuna la flavor. And I'm gonna have a second slice of cake because I had one earlier. I'm gonna have a second slice of cake. We still have a lot of cake remaining, so we're gonna be having a cake tomorrow. But anyway, guys, it was a beautiful day. I'm not going to lie. The family came through for Little Human, guys. You are Azana. Like, it's more than what I anticipated. And earlier on in town, I bumped into one of Odab's bike. Ngudabsi Vuyelwa. No, Mama, kale ngubani bendweni naye town. Tata ngibangana bendweni naye town wakwaMakhuza. Bendweni no bengubani. Oh, Emakhuzeni, yes. I think Vuyiseka. Yes, okay, thank you. So earlier on in town, I bumped into Udab's Little Human, Udab's Vuyiseka, and she gave us a voucher. Imagine, in town, she was passing. I don't even know how she saw me, and then she gave us a voucher for Little Human, and she wasn't going to be able to make it to the party, and yeah. And yeah, we registered that. I know Little Human was opening the presents earlier, and I didn't show that voucher because it's in my handbag, but it is registered. Oh, and also, is it Marcus or is it Dabs? Someone also gave us Imali, 100 rand, to put into his piggy bank. What I'm gonna do with this money, I'm going to transfer it right now from my account to his account, and then I can use this one, and I will reference it as the person who gave it. Guys, thank you so much. I think we are now, everyone is in the sitting room now. We're just gonna have a conversation because in 2 days from today, we have another gathering. So we are about to discuss that now. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. I love you so much. Mwah.